Hello my dear student, welcome to my channel Study AJ. Today I am going to teach you factorization of algebraic expression. Now we discuss a few problems and its solution. We already discussed its theorem, algebraic expressions, and today directly I am going to solve a few problems here. Here is the number one problem. I am taking a square plus 5a plus 6 given. Here you can say this is first term, this is second term, and this is constant term. And here is this term is in middle, so that is why I will say is a middle term. First, to factorize this algebraic expression, you first set the constant term. Here you get 6. Constant term is here 6 with positive terms. Here is positive sign. Now here coefficient of a square you get only 1. So first you need to multiply this and this. Multiply coefficient of first term and the constant term. So multiply 1 into 6, it will be 6. And you have to write the factors of the constant term as the sum of, here positive symbol, as the sum of the middle terms. So you can factorize 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So you can write 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So a square, so make the middle term the sum of the constant term. Sum of constant terms factor. So factor of the constant term 2 and 3. So as sum doing addition, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 whole into, you have to write 8. So it will be now constant term 6. So you get 2 plus 3 is equal to this term 5a. You can write 5a as 2 plus 3 as a factor of constant term. 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 a plus 6. This is now do the simplification. A square it will be and 2 into a, multiply this with this twice a, and 3 into a thrice a plus 6. Now divide this term, take this term, first 2 term and second 2 term. So from first 2 term you can take common, here a square, here a. You can take common a only. If you taking common a, here left dividing by a, it will be a, and here left only 2. Now second 2 term, second part, you can take common, here thrice a, here 6. You can take common only 3. So 3 whole into a plus divide by 3, 2. So this you can see 2a plus 2 and a plus 2. So write one time a plus 2 and a plus 3. One time a plus. This is the factor of the algebraic expression a square plus 5a plus 6. So a factor of this algebraic expression a plus 2 whole into a plus 3. I hope you understand the problem. Now taking number 2 problem. So number 2 given here x square minus 4x minus 5. Here you can see constant term is here negative. You have to make its factor as the subtraction of middle term. So make the subtraction of this constant factor as the middle term. So here 1 into 5 only. Take factor 5 into 1. If you these two factors of 5 into 1, 5 and 1, 2 factor of 5. So you can write x square minus whole into 4. You can have 5 minus 1. Here negative sign symbol you need to subtract. By subtraction you have to make the middle term. So 5 minus 1 whole into x, you can write 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 and it will be 4x minus 5. Now do the simplification, very simple. 5 into x, 5x. This you see here minus and here minus. Multiplying this minus and minus, it will be plus. Plus 1 into x, directly 1x. Directly you can write x only. Now take common from these two parts. You can take common x only. Here x square, here x minus 5. And here you cannot take any, no x is here. So 1x minus 5. So it will be x minus 5, 2 times x minus 5 and x plus 1. So these two, x minus 5 whole into x plus 1 are the factor of this algebraic expression. I hope you understand the problem. Now number 2 complete. Now take number 3. Solution of number 3. So given n square minus 19n minus 92. So here multiply here coefficient of n square. Here 1 into 92 is equal to 92. Factorize 92. You can factorize 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4, 2 is 23. So such that you have to make the middle term by the factors of the constant term as subtraction. So n square minus, you can write 23 minus 4 is equal to 90. You get 90. So n here 92. So it will be doing simplification minus 23n and minus plus 4n and it will be 92. Now you can take common n only here from these two parts, n minus 23. If you take here from these two parts 4 common, you get n minus 23. So here you can see n minus 23, n minus 23. So you write one time n minus 23 and this term, first term and this term you write one time. So it will be n plus 4. This is the n minus 23 whole into n plus 4 are the factor of this algebraic expression. So now you can take the screenshot solution of the problem. So I hope you understand the problem. Now taking number 4. Number 4 what given here. See, you need to do, if you simplification, c to the power 4 48 c cube given. So here you can say variable by c to the power 5, c to the power 4 and c cube. Lowest term is here c cube. You can either from each part you can say, you can take common. C is here from each part. You can take here lowest term is c cube. So you can take common c cube. This variable c cube and numerical coefficient here 3, 18. 3 is divisible. 3 you can divide by 3. Each term you can divide by 3. Here you can divide by 3 in this term also. You can also take common 3 also. So it will be c cube taking common 5 here, only 2 left. C taking 3 common also, and first 3 divided by 10, 3 6 is 18, and c to the power c cube taking common c cube, and here c left only, and 2 3 1 is 3, 3 6 is 18, 16 3 is 48, and taking c common, and here left 3 c to the power c cube, and do the factorize this term, this algebraic expression, curly bracket putting here c square. So you can here you can see constant term is 16 here. You will need to factorize this constant term as a subtraction of middle term. C square minus, you can 4 into 4 16, 2 into 8 16. If you write 8 minus 2, it will be, you get 6. So you can write here 8 2 is 16, 8 minus 2 whole into c minus 16. So 3c cube put here, and c square and it will be 8c, and minus minus, this minus minus plus, and twice c minus 16. Now I am writing this side 3c square whole into c square minus 8c plus twice c minus 16, and factorize this term. You can take common here from this to c only, c minus 8. From these two parts you can take 2 common, c minus 8. So 3c square whole into c plus 2. One time you can write c plus 2, and c minus 8 2 times here you write 1 time c minus 8. These are the factor of this algebraic. I hope you understand. I am repeating from here. The given here c to 3c to the power 5, 18 c to the power 4, 48 c cube, and you can take common from this term 3c cube. So taking 3c cube, here left c square minus 6c and 16. Now you factorize this term, this expression. You can factorize 8 as c square minus 8 minus 2, 2 8 is 16. Factor of this constant term 8 minus 2, you get 6. That is c square, and it will be 8c and minus minus plus 2c plus minus 16. And now taking common from these two parts, c you can take common c only here, from here and here 2. So c minus 8, c minus 2 times here, 1 time right, and c plus 2. And 3. So this is the factor of this algebraic expression. I hope you understand the problem. Now taking number 5. Number 5 problem. Number 5 solution. Here y to the power 4 plus 4y square minus 32, and you can write this factor of this algebraic expression, constant term, and factor, and it will be, you can write 8 4s are 32, 8 into 4 you get 32. If you write 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, here middle term 4y square, y to the power 4 plus 8 minus 4 whole into y square, this is y square minus 32. Now y to the power 4 plus 8y minus 4, y square, y square and y square minus 32. And from here you can take common y square only, y square plus 8. Here you can take common minus 4. If you take common minus 4, y square, it will equal to 8. Here y square plus 8, y square plus 8. So you can write y square minus 4, and here you can write y square plus 8. So this you can factorize this term. So y square minus 2 square is corollary here, a square minus b square. You can take write a plus b whole into a minus b. So y square plus 8, this term will be same, you cannot factorize, and this you can y plus 2 y minus 2 whole into y square plus 8. So these are the factor of y plus 2 whole into y minus 2 y square plus 8. These are the factor of this algebraic expression. I hope you understand the problem. Thank you for watching my video.